Understanding the law of polarity is important to lead a very happy life. We are all part of a huge oneness pool. At the same time, we are uniquely different with our acquired skills, talents, and conditioning. We live in a time-space reality which has polarity. Everything in the universe has its opposite. Everything is dual. Without understanding hatred, you cannot value love. Unless you have seen scarcity, you cannot appreciate abundance. The law of polarity gives us a powerful tool to change our mindsets. When we understand there is a positive to every negative, we can choose to focus on the positive. The negative thoughts always seem to be followed by negative events in our life, which reinforces the negative thoughts. It is seemingly an endless cycle, but you can break it. So focus only on what feels good. If you focus upon the lack of what you want, you feel bad. When you focus on what you truly want, you feel good and you are in a positive mode of attraction. Just decide that you will look for what you want to see, and by virtue of your positive feelings, you will attract whatever you desire.